Shiba Inu news today is based on shocking secret documents that were revealed. Researchers discovered a leaked Shiba Inu AWS account password on a public code repository, which security experts regarded as serious since during the 2 days the password was exposed, a hacker may have utilized it to his or her advantage. Anand Prakash, the creator of PingSafe, claimed in a blog post that a Shiba Inu developer's submission of AWS infrastructure keys to a public GitHub repository was the cause of the compromised credentials. The shocking release documents about the major price pump day Shiba Inu news will be discussed in this video. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. According to Carl Steinkamp, director at Coalfire, the revelation that Shiba Inu had one of its AWS credentials on a public GitHub repository is concerning for Shiba Inu and any individual or business who has the tokens. Shiba Inu's development, or that of any other crypto-related project, requires a defined method for development and authorized individuals to push the code through the development, test, and production stages, according to Steinkamp. Although it's unclear if the credentials were intended for testing or production, Steinkamp said this demonstrates a breakdown in internal procedure and probably violates Shiba's software development lifecycle guidelines. 2 days of having AWS credentials exposed presents a dangerous window of opportunity for any malicious attacker to engage in a variety of harmful actions, some of which may have included a complete environment compromise, token theft, and the escalation of permissions into other AWS environments. Every software firm handles private API keys and passwords, according to Casey Bison, head of product and developer enablement at Blue Bracket, and far too many of them are stored in code repositories, stated Bison. Whether it's because the repository was unintentionally made public due to insider threats or because of code theft, a secret in a repository is frequently revealed. According to Bison, these secret passwords and keys give access to a company's most crucial resources, such as cloud resources, client data, and financial transactions. We advise every business to incorporate automated scanning into their CI/CD process in order to find vulnerabilities and other dangers in code, and offer developers a chance to fix them before they pose a severe issue. Let's now observe Shiba Inu's activities on September 26. Crypto assets continued to be under pressure due to the global macroeconomic environment on Monday after Bitcoin and other crypto tokens extended their losses over the weekend. All of the top cryptocurrency tokens were trading in the red on Monday, with the exception of USDcoin, and Polkadot. Cardano, Polkadot, Polygon, and Avalanche all experienced declines of 2% each, while Solana and Shiba Inu both fell by 3%. The market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies was trading slightly lower, down around 1% in the last 24 hours, at $926.12 billion, to close to $54.33 billion. The total trade volume increased by almost 3%. The Ethereum merger significantly increased the role of validators in the ecosystem of the blockchain. One of the large stinkfish was in disarray. Preferred equity owners and the defunct cryptocurrency lender Celsius Network want to be included in discussions about recovering their investments and obtaining first dibs on money from the sale of specific assets. ETH has maintained its support range between $1,000 and $1,220 after the merger. Despite the fact that it is still trading within a range, a breakout or a weekly close over $1,480 can lead to levels of $1,620. The Ethereum network gave birth to the SHIB token. SHIB is essentially the exact opposite of Bitcoin. The SHIB token is in high demand, in contrast to BTC, which aims to make it scarce on the cryptocurrency market. Even though its community intends to reduce this number, this is clear from its overall supply, which is 1 quadrillion. Additionally, Its ecosystem offers a suitable foundation for other projects. Some of these initiatives include the development of the shibaswap decentralized exchange and the preservation of NFT artwork. Shiba Eternity, a new game from the Shiba team, just went live. However, the devs have not yet provided any additional game updates. More upgrades will be made available for the recently released Shiba Eternity, according to the makers. The community anticipates an event to go along with the announcement, but the much-anticipated news from the devs is already generating conversation on Twitter. The already planned Twitter areas are to blame for this. There, community members will discuss the Shiba Eternity project and their opinions on it. Shintoshi Kozama, the SHIB token's creator and primary developer, and William Volt will provide more updates. These updates will thereafter be made available on the SHIB's official Twitter page. The SHIB developers are presently developing a blockchain network. Shibarium is the name of this blockchain, which aims to lighten the workload associated with developing blockchain ecosystem apps. Developers and users are the main winners from this new breakthrough. The Shibarium Layer 2 network operates on a similar principle as the Ethereum blockchain network. Because both networks permit the creation of decentralized applications, this is the explanation. The project's goal is to reduce the price of gambling transactions. This is feasible since the project will act as the second premium layer for the SHIB coin and the community. It's not surprising that the value of the SHIB token is declining given the present pessimistic climate of the cryptocurrency market. The market monitoring over the previous 4 weeks makes this clear. The token's value has now dropped to where it was 3 months ago. No signs exist that suggest that prices may rise anytime soon. The same may be said about the overall crypto market, but Satoshi Kozama's update on the community's impending project seems to have given many SHIB token supporters hope. As a result, many investors are keeping an eye on the price of the SHIB coin. The price of the digital asset is currently rising. For those prepared to participate, the price of Shiba Inu could offer lucrative chances in the days to come. Shiba Inu's price has been trading downward all week, but in a choppy way. The unpredictability of the pullbacks is the first indication that the downtrend is waning. In comparison to the prior rise, the volume of the overall downturn has been small. Traders should prepare for a crowded battle to break out close to the zone. The September swing high at $0.139.4 might be the aim of an entry if the bulls can clear the 8-day EMA. The cost of a Shiba Inu would increase by 30% as a result of this action. If support at $0.00088 holds, the bullish countertrend hypothesis will not be invalidated. If this level is crossed, the bears might gain control. The swing lows at $0.738 on June 18 would be the next target area, was leading in a 30% decrease in the price of SHIB. John Richmond, an Italian clothing line, has released a video to advertise its most recent partnership with Meme Token. Milano, the capital of the Lombardy region in northern Italy, is slated to host Shiba Inu, a very special event highlighting the fruits of the partnership. The futuristic video clip features John Richmond-clad mannequins floating in front of a snake and the Shiba Inu emblem in the middle of a desert. Not mincing words, in the background is a huge guitar with speakers. According to John Richmond, the partnership surpassed all expectations during Milan Fashion Week. On September 20, Milan Fashion Week SS23 officially began, giving fans of the industry a chance to see the top names in the business. The fashion extravaganza will feature renowned names like Gucci, Alberta Ferretti, Prada, Bottega, Veneta, and more. The Shiba Inu team announced its groundbreaking partnership with John Richmond in March, as you were informed today. The company claimed that it would offer a fashion line as non-fungible tokens. It was confirmed that Milan would host the collection's debut. The collection's physical counterparts, known as Legends Live Forever, will be featured at the event. David Bowie and Kate Moss have both worked with the brand John Richmond, which was started in the 1980s by a British fashion designer of the same name. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.